कि ये है काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट। काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट में हम जो इलेक्ट होते हैं वो एमएलए इलेक्ट करते हैं, नॉमिनेटेड को छोड़ दें तो सर। अब बिहार हो या बंगाल हो, दूसरे राज्य हो, यहाँ विधायकों का चुनाव होने जा रहा है, तो इसलिए बात।
Thank you. Not going on record now.
What we are insisting is the SIR special intensive.
No, sir. It's under
sir,
please, court is listening.
Please, kindly.
Court is listening.
No. It will affect all the states, sir. We are concerned and we are asking for a discussion. Give us a time.
I request you that let us discuss maintaining the sanctity of elections in this country.
Thank you.
Let us decide that.
You know, Election Commission is a constitutional body. और उसमें डिस्कस करने के there are provisions. Please. हमारा संकल्प था हम खुद आत्मनिरीक्षण करें कि संसद में अपने लिए गए संकल्प के बारे में हम किस तरह का आचरण कर रहे हैं। प्लीज नाउ ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, 28 notices have been received under Rule 267. प्लीज नो कमेंट। प्लीज बैठ करके कमेंट किसी तरफ से नहीं। प्लीज आप सबसे, दोनों पक्ष से। संजय जी चेयर कह रहा है, उनसे भी कह रहा है, आपसे भी निवेदन कर रहा है। प्लीज नहीं, आप फिर खड़े होकर, आपको अनुमति नहीं है। वो बैठकर बोल रहे हैं, उन्हीं को मैं कह रहा हूं, आप भी वही कर रहे हैं। प्लीज द नोटिसेज ऑफ श्री निरंजन बीसी, श्री देवाशीष सामंत राय, श्रीमती सुलता देव, डॉक्टर सस्मित पात्रा, श्री मानस रंजन मंगराज, श्री सुभाषीष खूंटिया, Shri Mujibullah Khan have demanded discussion over the issue of increasing heinous crimes against women and girl children in Odisha. The notices of Shri Neeraj Dangi, Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Shri Rajiv Shukla, Shri Sanjay Singh, Shri Saket Gokhale, Shri Abdul Wahab, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Sushri Susmita Sen, Srimati J.B. Mathur Hisam have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of a special intensive revision of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Srimati Mausam B. Noor, Sri Rita Brata Banerjee, Sri Tiruchi Siva, Srimati Sagarika Ghosh have demanded discussion over the discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notices of Sri Jose K. Mani, Sri Harish Biran, Dr. John Britas have demanded discussion over the alleged unjust arrest of 2 nuns in Durg, Chhattisgarh on 25th July 2025. The notices of Sri Sandosh Kumar P, Sri P.P. Sunir, Dr. V. Sivadasan have demanded discussion over the serious impact of the 25% tariffs and the extra penalty imposed by the US President Trump on Indian goods. Notices of Sri Samik Bhattacharya, please. Sri Samik Bhattacharya demands discussion over the direct threat to constitutional authority of the Election Commission and electoral integrity in West Bengal. The notice of Sri Ramji Lal Suman demands discussion over the unprecedented and unexpected resignation of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha. Since these notices do not conform to the detailed directives imparted by the Chair on 8/12/2022 and 19/12/2022, the same are declined. Matter raised with permission. Tiruchi.
Sir, my notice was on SIR, sir, and we have been insisting. One minute, sir. Kindly give 1 minute. Sir, you read out an observation that so many hours have been wasted during question hour and 0 hours, which we are also concerned. We are very much interested in having. But the responsibility of smooth functioning does not lie only with the opposition parties. It's also with the treasury benches. What we are insisting is the SIR special intensive.
No, sir, it's under
sir, please,
court is listening.
Please, kindly.
Court is listening.
No, it will affect all the states, sir. We are concerned and we are asking for a discussion. Give us a time. We are prepared to cooperate. But they are not giving the time, sir.
You both parties.
Sir, at the time, you have to, sir. Sir, you are the custodian of the house. The ruling party has to give a time. We shall sit together, we will discuss, and we will cooperate for the smooth functioning.
It will be earnest request. Both sides, you sit and decide.
That's it. We want only time, the date.
Please, that's all. Over.
Pramod ji.
That's over. Please, it's over. Sir. Please.
से आपसे अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि 267 जो नोटिसेस दिए हैं सारे लगभग विपक्षी दलों ने, उसमें एक बात बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण है, शायद उस पर नजर आपकी नहीं गई, वरना आप तुरंत स्वीकार कर लेते क्योंकि आप इंटेलिजेंट हैं।
It's not going on record. We are not discussing it.
सर
आप
सर मैं तो आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूं।
नहीं, मुझे तारीफ ना करें। फैक्चुअल स्थिति है कि
मेरी
उस पे
बात
बहस
तो
नहीं हो
सुने।
सकती।
मेरी सर ये सदन राज्यसभा जो है,
ऑनरेबल द चेयरमैन की रूलिंग है, इस पर कोई बहस नहीं हो सकती।
नहीं, मेरी बात तो सुने। अरे मेरी बात तो सुने, जो मैं नई बात कह रहा हूं, न्यू थिंग
आपको अवसर दिया,
न्यू, वही तो कह रहा हूं।
हाँ।
मेरा ये कहना है, ये क्या है सर, जो नई बात है वो ये है कि ये है काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट। काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट में हम जो इलेक्ट होते हैं वो एमएलए इलेक्ट करते हैं, नॉमिनेटेड को छोड़ दें तो सर। अब बिहार हो या बंगाल हो, दूसरे राज्य हो, यहां विधायकों का चुनाव होने जा रहा है, तो इसलिए बात।
थैंक यू नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड नाउ। Sasmit Patra ji.
Heinous crimes against women and girl children is happening repeatedly.
Please, thank you. It's not a state issue. I will not
requested for
no, it's not. I will not. Please. John Britas ji.
Sir, I fully agree with you. An issue which is with the Supreme Court need not be discussed. But I request you that let us discuss maintaining the sanctity of elections in this country.
Thank you.
Let us decide that.
You know, Election Commission is a constitutional body. और उसमें डिस्कस करने के लिए there are provisions. Please, let us now take. I will request. It's please 0 hour. Sri P. Wilson, Mr. P. Wilson, Mr. P. Wilson, your talk that will go on the record.
Thank you, Chairman
Mr.
sir.
P. Wilson.
It has been 8 long years. 8 union budgets
Mr.
have come
P.
and
Wilson,
gone.
you raised
The
the
cost
issue
of
that will
living
go on
has
the record. I will
skyrocketed.
request you not to have
Inflation
0 hour.
has
आप मेंबर्स को
eroded the
बोलने नहीं
value
देना
of
चाहते।
money and economic conditions
मेंबर्स
have
को नहीं
changed
बोलने देना चाहते।
dramatically.
नदीम जी आप बड़े
The
सीनियर
income
आदमी हैं।
ceiling
दोनों
for
जी प्लीज
determining
अलाउ
OBC creamy layer.
प्लीज सुस्मिता जी प्लीज अलाउ योर मेंबर्स प्लीज
Sir, let the house be in order, sir.
I'm already requesting you, please also request your colleagues. Hiruchi ji, your member is speaking. Give protection to him. Please, I request you. So you are not interested?
No, I'm interested, but the house has to be
please.
set in order.
Please.
Chairman, sir, the house has to be set in
I'm
order.
already requesting you all. आप सब जब बैठेंगे तभी
So let the house be set in order because they are asking for they are asking for a special intensive revision to be discussed.
उस पर डिस्कस नहीं कर रहा
Yes, Chairman, sir, only 1 minute. 1 minute, Chairman, sir.
Either you discuss.
No, only 1 minute, Chairman, sir. They are asking
You're
for.
not going on record.
No,
The house
only.
will meet at 12 noon today.